Hello ladies and gents, today I will be showing you how to grab transcripts from Vapi and then put them into Google Sheets or Airtable. So here I've got a really quick assistant I've made. I've called it Transcript Dude with a bunch of instructions here. And the information that we want to get into is in this Google Sheet. You can copy this Google Sheet in the description below. What we'll also be using is make.com. So we're going to jump into make.com and then make a new scenario. Great. So once you've done that, click on webhooks, custom webhook, click on add, and I'm going to call this transcript Vapi. Click on save, copy address to clipboard, and then we'll jump back into Vapi. All right, now that we are in Vapi, you'll see at the top here, well, beneath the cost, there's the model transcriber voice function advanced. We want advanced. Scroll down a little bit, and here underneath the heading of messaging, you will see the server URL. This is where Vapi will communicate messages via post requests. So what I would then do, you actually don't need anything for the client stuff here because you're not sending anything via an SDK. But the only thing we are looking for is the end of call report. So once you've pasted that in, you've only selected this in, which end of call report is the thing that is responsible for sending the summary, any analysis stuff we've put in here. So now that we have Vapi set up, let's go into our make.com and then set up the Google Sheets integration. So what we need to do is jump back into here, click on, there's a few ways to add in a module. You can click on the little plus here. You can also right click add module. And then there's a third way, and then you can actually go add here on the bottom here in the middle of the screen, and then go Google Sheets and then create a row. Just gonna find that, add a row. Drag that, and the biggest pain in the butt is trying to find the right sheet in your Google account. So I'm just gonna mess around with that and try and find it. You guys will most likely find the same issue. A little tip when you're doing this, put the transcript sheet into a folder on your Google Drive. It's much easier to find that way. So I'm actually gonna see if that actually works. So here I'm on my Google account that I've hooked up, selected by path, my drive, click here to choose file, and let's see if we can find. Okay, so my folder is called YouTube, and then copy of transcript, sheet name, transcript. And then once you've copied, because you should make a copy of the thing that I put in the description and then put it into your Google folder. And then once we've got all this, at the moment we can't map anything, so we actually need to make a call so that we can put everything into the spots that we want. So now we just press OK, click on save, and actually I'm just going to call it transcripts. Vapi, click on save, and then we actually need to go back into Vapi. Just going to put my headset on because I'll be calling it.
Yo, we are Transcript.
Hey.
Hi, say something so I can transcript your ass.
Yeah, I like pie.
Okay, see you, dumbass.
So now that just came through. And in the end of call report, which is the thing that we wanted for the transcript, we get the reason why the call was ended, or we get the transcript, or we get the summary, after which the call ended abruptly with a rude farewell. So rude. And here's the messages you can put in. So this is like the interaction between each person. This is the analysis, which actually contains the summary, but the success evaluation is based on your prompt. So if in the prompt you said something like, the role of this agent is to book an appointment, and that's its main goal. If within the transcript that didn't happen, then it will say false. Yeah, so it's actually quite nice because now you actually get the duration of the call in your transcript. You get the duration of the call from end of call report, whereas before you had to go through a bunch of stuff to go through. So you get that here now. So now what we need to do, click on this Google Sheet. Lead phone, we didn't have it. It would though be in, there'll be like a call customer. There will be call customer, and there will be like a thing here if you're using a phone. So we're going to skip that for now. Phone number ID, that would also come up around here somewhere if you're using a phone. So I'm just going to skip that for now. The ended reason, customer ended call. So this is when someone hung up. Recording URL. So let's jump into this one. Timestamp. Where is this timestamp? Created at. Summary, which would then be this one. Transcript. What else is here? And you can now add in whatever else you like. So for example, if you want the length of the call, you can put this in, that'll be in seconds. And yeah, I think that would be enough to get the transcripts going. So now when you have another call within your agent in Vapi, and once you've clicked schedule here, this will just keep on running in the background and adding rows onto your sheet. Cool. Thank you for watching, and see you guys later.